Hello, friends, welcome to my channel Tech and ICT Solutions, with another new video. Today, I will show, how can we stop, block, enable, or disable pop-up notification in Google Chrome. So, let's start. Watch the full video, and stay with us, for more useful tutorial. At first, we need to open Google Chrome and click on the Setting option from the Customize and Control menu. Now, click on Setting and select Privacy and Setting option. Now, click on Site Setting and select Notification option from below. Now, in this window, we can see Notification Status, Block, and Allow options. In this Notification Status, we can turn on or turn off Chrome all pop-up notifications. In Block List, we can see all sites names which notification was blocked by me. I can allow or remove this from here. In Allow List, we can see all sites names which notification was allowed by me. I can block or remove this from here. I hope you can do this very easily after watching the video. If you face any problem, please type in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.